What's up, everybody? Larry Porter, and I'm back once again. So, in today's video, we're going to talk a little bit more about how to become a travel planner. So, a lot of you all are already doing this. I know a lot of people that's in the travel industry and they're not even getting paid for it. Okay, so a lot of people are booking, setting up cruises and vacation packages for their friends and family, but they're not getting paid for it because they're not a certified travel planner. So I want to recommend something to you all. If you're really serious about booking travel and you're something you're already doing anyway, or if you just want to get into the industry, partner with a host travel agency, because here's some things that you're going to need. You're going to need a travel website, okay, with a booking engine in it. Okay, you want to have a place to send your prospects, clients, friends, family, etc., whatever, well, they can book their own vacation packages, book their own cruises, their own airlines, their car rentals, everything. Okay, or you can book it for them. Okay, some people need help booking their own stuff, and that's where you come in. Okay, so either way it go, guys, you're gonna need a travel agency website. Okay, now number two, you're gonna need vendor access. You're gonna need a place where you can get clients the best rates. You're gonna need vendor access, and a lot of people don't know where to go to get vendor access to all the major vendors. I'm talking about top major cruise lines, top major airlines, car rental, everything. You're gonna need a one-stop shop. So I recommend a one-stop shop because this internet is huge, and you can waste time trying to search all over the web, browse all over the web, and find different vendors and tools and resources and all this thing, but you don't have to do that. Okay, you can partner with a host agency, have everything you need at your fingertips, and become certified immediately. You don't have to waste time and wait. You don't have to wait for no big certificate to come in the mail. You can do this starting today. Okay, guys, so thank you for staying to the end of this video. Right now, this is what I want to do. I want to share something with you all. Okay, I want to share a presentation with you. Watch it. Make sure you watch it. Okay, watch the entire presentation because it's going to show you some information that's very, very valuable to you. Okay, it's going to show you how you can get started and get started today. If you have questions, please leave a comment below this video. Me and Yumika will love to get your feedback, love to engage with you, answer your questions. But other than that, click the link below this video. Watch this presentation. We would love to see you on the other side and connect with you. Okay, so you're not in this by yourself. We have a huge support group, huge support team. So if you're really serious about becoming a travel planner, do it. Okay, do it and get everything you need at your fingertips, and partnering with a host agency will be your best option. Okay, so click that link below this video to learn more information, and me and Yumika will see you on the other side. All right, be blessed. All right.